Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel, your ultimate hub for speed, thrill, and raw power. Today, we're going to deep dive into something truly exceptional, a masterpiece from the renowned house of Aprilia, the breathtaking RSV4 Factory 1100. A bike that's more than just an amalgamation of metal and rubber. It's a testament to a legacy. Let's kick things off by talking about what makes this model stand apart. The factory tag. The factory versions are Aprilia's crown jewels, representing the pinnacle of technology and performance. Born in the crucible of world-class motorcycle racing like the MotoGP and Superbike World Championship, these bikes embody Aprilia's racing DNA. And this very DNA is crafted into each machine at Aprilia's dedicated factory in Noelle, Italy, a heartland of motorcycling craftsmanship. The creation of the RSV4 Factory 1100 is an elaborate process. From the precise casting of its aluminum frame to the careful assembly of its V4 engine, each component of this masterpiece is meticulously crafted. The bike's final assembly is done by hand, under the watchful eyes of skilled technicians, ensuring the highest level of quality and attention to detail. This mechanical beast is a symbol of Aprilia's unparalleled prowess in delivering extreme performance, married to a racing experience that few can match. The heart of this beast is a formidable 1078cc V4 engine that belts out an earth-shattering 217 horsepower and 122 Nm of torque, giving you the power to conquer both the track and the open road. The skeleton holding this beast together is a double twin beam in aluminum, an embodiment of Aprilia's ingenuity in chassis engineering. This unique structure not only gives it a robust and fierce look, but also contributes to making the RSV4 Factory 1100 one of the most stable and dependable superbikes in its class. The RSV4 Factory 1100 comes with aerodynamic winglets, a feature plucked straight from Aprilia's MotoGP racing experience. These winglets significantly improve the bike's aerodynamics, reducing drag and enhancing stability at high speeds and under heavy braking, thus making every rider experience. But the innovation doesn't stop there. We've also got the advanced Öhlins suspension system, providing unparalleled handling and stability. This, along with the Brembo Stylomer brake calipers, one of the top performing brakes in the industry, ensures that you have superior control and braking performance at your fingertips, giving you the confidence to push beyond boundaries. In terms of electronics, the Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 is a tech powerhouse. It's equipped with the most advanced Aprilia Performance Ride Control package, which includes an array of features like traction control, wheelie control, launch control, quick shift, and even cruise control. And all these features can be easily managed through a leading-edge TFT display, ensuring you stay connected with your bike at all times. Now, for the question on everyone's mind, the price. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100, with its superior build, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromised performance, comes at a premium. The price tag starts around $24,499 USD, a reflection of the craftsmanship, precision, and performance you're investing in. Yes, it's a significant sum, but for the unparalleled riding experience, it's an investment many are willing to make. The Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 is a testament to man's undying thirst for speed and performance. It beautifully blends the spirit of Aprilia's racing dominance with cutting-edge technology and superior performance. Well, that's all we have time for today. If you're as captivated by this piece of Italian engineering as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive bike reviews and the latest in motor news. Until next time, remember, the thrill is in the ride.